Are you ready?
Welcome back to the Premier in Bispham. Now, you might remember I did a room tour of this property, I think it was last year, and we had the old room. But now, we've got the brand new standard room from the Premier Inn with the purple lighting on the bed, which says calm and all that. I'm actually going to get a photo of it in the dark afterwards, and it'll be good for my YouTube cover photo for this video. Now, as we walk in, we have a vanity mirror, which you can press and it all lights up. We also got a hairdryer as well. Here's me in the mirror. Hello, got my beanie hat on. My north 66 degrees north beanie on. And this is the bathroom. Got your standard bath. There is some towels there. Towel toucher says they're quite fuzzy actually. We've got some other towels there to use. Your bath mat. Well, I should say shower mat, because we got a shower. We don't have baths now, it's a shower. Which is fair dues. I think maybe majority of hotels now have more showers and all that. Anyways, so then out we come to the bedroom. You've got a nice big bed. Obviously the Premier Inns, it's a silent night, so it's nice and comfy. There is a beef eater next door as well, and you've got your brekkie menu, and then obviously you can take the mattress home with you, and there's also your tea and coffee facilities. There's instructions on how to use the heating, and there's the telly remote for the Samsung telly just there as well. It is a bit dark out there, but your view is just primary school, because obviously if you remember last time, it was a primary school nearby as well. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the Premier Inn Bispham.